Introducing the 2022 SEAT TARRACO 2.0TDI 150B horsepower SE automatic in a sleek white exterior. With 90,9584 kilometers on the clock and a 2-litre engine, this vehicle is perfect for any adventure. Packed with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, Bluetooth connectivity and multiple airbags, you can drive with peace of mind. The interior boasts luxury trim and third-row seating for extra comfort. The security features like lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking ensure your safety on the road. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer-specified servicing and comprehensive warranty, this SEAT TARRACO is ready for you. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information. Drive off in style and safety today.